Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to solve this very nice exponential equation 2 power 101 minus 2 power 100. So 2 power 101 can be written as 2 power 100 plus 1 minus 2 power 100 and just add 0 in it to get 200 plus 0. Split the power, you have 2 power 100 into 2 power 1 minus 2 power 100 into 2 power 0. Now we have 2 power 100 common from both the expression. So 2 power 100 common, we are left with 2 power 1, that is 2, and 2 power 0. And in the next step, we know that 2 power 0 is 1, so we get 2 minus 1. Eventually, 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So we have 2 power 100 into 1. And its answer is 2 power 100. Thanks for watching.